Hi everyone! Today we're gonna pick raspberries here. We're at a farmer's field where you can pick. Hi Guaps!
Hi.
Paul is picking raspberries.
Yeah.
It's the Apple Jack's Apple Shack where you can pick apples, raspberries. More? Fresh raspberries. Cool, huh? You can plant them at home too, you know. Pops, what happened to this? Why are you picking this?
What is it? Let's just eat it, huh? Here's the basket.
Not the very ripe one.
Huh?
Not the very ripe one. Because they're gonna go bad.
Well, we won't have them very long.
There's many more. There's a whole bunch here.
Let's pick them.
They're good when you put them in the pancakes. Very sweet. Plenty to pick in here, Gops. You can move around. There's a bunch in here.
We should take Papa this week, go up to Lake Superior and go to that berry farm up there. Go to that berry farm up there.
Move up here. There's more in here. Plenty in this side here. There. Pretty. Alright, that's it. We're gonna pick more raspberries here. We went to church today, so I hope everybody gonna go to church. Gops, pick the red ones, not the more red ones are.
I do, but then that you say they're too
Yep,
ripe.
there's many. They grow every year. They don't even need, when it's winter time, they're just gonna sleep and grow every year, Gops. Let's see if you taste the difference. The reddish one is the more sweeter.
That is for sure.
Ripe ones.
Take these to the bucket, boy.
Here. Right here. Gloves. You okay? Take your kids here, your whole family. There's a playground here too. You're gonna have fun here, coming here. It's fresh and organic. Alright, bye Guaps.
Bye now.
See you everybody. God bless. It's a beautiful day. Thank you Lord for the beautiful day.